Hi, welcome to the course Embroidery on Clothes for Beginners. My name is Joanna and I will be your guide in this inspiring, colorful journey. 15 years ago, I started working for a clothing company as a fashion designer. I saw how the fashion industry looks from the inside. My imaginations met with reality. This was like a big collision because I saw a world where profit rules and the customer is only there to buy clothes. Production is placed thousands of kilometers away from the company. Cheap materials, sloppy workmanship, that's not what I wanted to sign up for. I saw how the marketing department manipulates customers' emotions to hit a sensitive point, for example, low self-esteem. The management did not want to invest in better quality materials because the company's goal was to sell quickly and cheaply. I started researching the topic of fast fashion and I came across a lot of inspiring documentaries about slow fashion and Professor Kate Fletcher's blog and books. She started slow fashion as an international movement of designers, craftsmen, creators, artists and consumers who want to express themselves and respect work along with the environment. I teach how to create style consistent with personality and principles of slow fashion for more than 10 years. I run courses, workshops and individual consultations. I write books and articles. Embroidery on clothes is a very good way to extend the life of clothes and give them a personal touch. I share with you in this course the hints and the whole process that I use in my work so that you can also creatively remake your clothes with joy and eco-calm in your hearts. I believe that instead of discarding clothes, we can remake them and give them a new life. Thanks to this, we will reduce the amount of garbage in the world and the negative impact on the clothing industry. I believe that creative people like you and I have a great impact on positive changes in the world. Let's start together.